So today I am back with my Hoover Power Scrub Elite carpet cleaner and the Hoover Elite whole house vacuum. And I will be shampooing my bedroom because it needs to be shampooed. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to vacuum with the whole house Elite. And then I'm going to fill up the carpet cleaner and shampoo the carpet. So here we go. And whoops. I don't think it's on. Oh, it's not even plugged in fully. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. Here we go. Okay, so I have vacuumed, and now I'm going to go fill up the carpet cleaner, and I will fill it up with just the water first, and then I will show you guys how much soap you need to put in it. So, hold on. Okay, so I've got it filled with water, as you guys can see, and we're just going to fill it up to this line here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So, hold on one second. I gotta put a hole in the cap. In the bottle, so I'll be right back. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna pour this soap in here. Replace the cap on both of them so they don't spill. And now we're going to go clean some carpet. Okay, so now I need to plug it in, and then we'll start cleaning. So we're going to do one forward and backward pass with the trigger held, and then we're going to do another pass without the trigger being held. So here we go. rinse it. Passes and we'll be done with the washing or rinsing. Then I'll go back over it at a different angle and get some more of the water up. Well, there you go. That is the new Hoover Power Scrub Elite carpet washer. And this is the dirty water. That actually is pretty gross. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.